Mulberry Bush.
Come on, guys. I'm so happy you're here.
Sorry, Mary. I tripped over your teddy bear.
Mary, what happened here?
I guess I was having a little too much fun to clean up.
But cleaning up is fun. It is! If you add a dance. Come dance with us.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we make our bed, make our bed, make our bed. This is the way we make our bed so early Tuesday morning. This is the way we pick up our toys, pick up our toys, pick up our toys. This is the way we pick up our toys so early Wednesday morning. We make our bed on Tuesday, we pick up our toys on Wednesday. This is the way we scrub the floor, scrub the floor, scrub the floor. This is the way we scrub the floor so early Thursday morning. This is the way we fold our clothes, fold our clothes, fold our clothes. This is the way we fold our clothes so early Friday morning. We scrub the floor on Thursday, we fold our clothes on Friday. This is the way we sweep the house, sweep the house, sweep the house. This is the way we sweep the house so early Saturday morning. This is the way we bake our bread, bake our bread, bake our bread. This is the way we bake our bread so early Sunday morning. We sweep the house on Saturday, we bake our bread on Sunday. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning.
Ready for a treat?
So yummy.
Wait, just a minute. There, all clean. Thanks for helping me clean up.
It was fun.
Now let's eat. Which one do you guys want?
I kind of want to eat all of them.